Did you know that fasting occasionally can massively improve your cognitive abilities, stabilize your mood, and can prevent neurodegenerative disease, according to several studies? I'm Robyn Openshaw, I'm the Green Smoothie Girl online, and here's the thing, I know most people won't fast for a week or for 2 weeks. I've done it, and I'm not gonna lie, it's really hard doing it that way. What's really exciting is that studies are coming out that show that you can get these cognitive performance benefits and mood stabilization benefits all while eating up to 800 calories a day. I call this modified fasting. Studies have shown that people doing a modified fast experience 3 major things relative to their brain, especially between days 2 and 7 of a modified fast. Number 1, an improvement in mood. Number 2, an increase in alertness during the day. And number 3, a sense of calm and serenity. Who doesn't need a happier mood, alertness in your work, and a feeling of serenity that helps you sleep at night and enjoy your relationships in your life more? Even though we've known for a long time that fasting gives you these brain and mood benefits, what's brand new from research in just the past few years is learning that with calories restricted below 800 calories for even just a few days, animal studies done at USC show better short and long-term memory, as well as calmer behavior and increased ability to learn. And other studies show it may be possible to rebuild the myelin sheath in the nervous system by doing regular modified fasts. And this is mind-blowing because no drug, nothing in modern medicine has been able to reverse the attack on the myelin sheath for multiple sclerosis sufferers, for instance. MS is an autoimmune condition that eats away at the myelin sheath in the central nervous system, and no treatment has been able to regenerate the myelin sheath. If fasting can give the body space and time to rebuild the nervous system, would it be worth eating a lot less for just a few days a month to achieve these benefits? I've been doing modified fasts. In fact, I just finished an experiment where I did a 3-day cycle of modified fasting 3 times a month for the past 3 months. That's about every 10 days for the last 3 months. I ate 5 mini meals between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. for a total of only 800 calories. I did this 3 times a month, and it was all organic, plant-based whole foods of about 150 calories at a time, each of my mini meals. I have never felt better than since I started doing this experiment. The way the program is designed, with a higher proportion of good fats and good proteins, proportionately higher protein than the average plant-based diet, I wasn't very hungry. I was able to work full-time like I always do, and I even worked out every single day that I was doing this flash fast 3-day program, which is amazing because I've done 1-week and 2-week water fasts where I ate absolutely no food. And trust me, I couldn't walk a mile, let alone work out or play a tennis match, not after day 1 of water fasting. There was just no way, I had no energy. But I've played a competitive tennis match in the past few months doing this experiment. One thing I've loved about using the flash fast is that everything is done for me. There's no guessing about what to eat and how much and when. I just eat my 5 organic mini meals every day with a few hours in between. And just like the people in the human studies and the mice in the animal studies, I had a very clear head and lots of energy. I've written a short book about modified fasting, bringing together the research studies to show what a monthly cycle of modified fasting can do for you. It's called How to Get the Health Benefits of Fasting Without Going Hungry. If you eat 5 very small meals between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m., it actually increases your metabolism. Dr. Jason Fung, an expert in diabetes and in fasting, has measured this and has proven that fasting doesn't decrease your metabolism, it actually increases it. The really exciting thing about this kind of fasting is that it puts your body into autophagy, which means self-eating. Autophagy means the body tears down broken parts in each cell. It tears down defective cells. In the state of autophagy, when you fast, the body attacks belly fat. It attacks cancerous growths. We all have them. The body attacks bacterial and viral colonies and overgrowths of candida yeast, all the bad guys that the body identifies it goes after. So today I've shared with you a bit about how modified fasting can help your mind and your mood, your cognitive abilities, and how you feel. But there's so much more that a 3-day modified fasting cycle each month can do for you. For a short time, you can get the 3-day flash fast that has everything you need to eat for 3 days with easy instructions at a very special price. It's so inexpensive that a lot of people spend more at Starbucks in a day than the $13 per day that your flash fast costs. Your 5 daily mini meals are delicious. They're ready to go. They're organic and they're made from 100% organic superfoods and plant-based whole foods. So join us and we will ship it to your door every month, or every other month, or every quarter if you prefer. You can cancel at any time. And for every flash fast you purchase, each time you eat less for 3 days, I feed a child in Zambia for 3 days in your name through Mothers Without Borders. Your fasting is good for your health. It's good for your pocketbook, it's good for the environment, and it's even life-changing for a hungry child in Zambia. So just click the link and join the Flash Fast community, where our health coaches and lots of new friends doing the Flash Fast with you are there to support you every day.